Hi, buddy. That's me. You got the relationship. So, video. Okay, so my summer is stay at a Goodwill. So I'm gonna miss us. I'm gonna miss you. But I'm about to Bobby help me on with my songs. Me, I done the show because I'm gonna be the PRK on my birthday, November 7th. So I'm gonna get to miss that. So great. I get the relationships and the friendship for once. But I didn't know how. So I'm using the water and coffee. So I did the milk on a snack. A little. I had cookies and chips. I really like chips. So today is the dinosaur night. I'm making my art stuff because I like it. Ready? Would you like art today? To wait. What happened in the relationship? What did it happen? What did you feel? What would you like? To wait. How great is the water is a great that we have for you. The melon, kiwi, and the pears, melon, and then oranges, apple. I'm gonna just all be happy for you. But I'm not happy in relationships, and it will happen to you. So this is the problem. Okay, the relationship right there. This is you water. Yeah, and you put it out. Ready? Watch it on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So today is the relationship. So I'm getting ready to feel good. Josh buck up a goodwill. My job. But it's it. So my friend is Bobby. She gets a VFF. She's a sweet guy. So I'm gonna give my feel. Because not. I'm gonna do the BNs. Anyway, that was great. I'm gonna cause it right there. I'm gonna cause it. I'm gonna get to see my family. So I'm really gonna make me art today. Okay? Okay. So today is the art. How many times is the relationship? This is a pen. Let's pick it up. Good. Okay? But this is Kool-Aid. You're gonna get last night. This is in the trash. I need a clean the room. I'm clean it out of my house. Okay, so today is art today. Okay, so today is a color card. This is the cards. This is the card. See, and the card is right here. Okay, so today is art day. I use the cards, the sticky cards, for you. Okay. All right. About to Professor Frank. I said, I love you. Kaliha. Okay. So, it is my CEOs, and these are some of the TV tonight. I'll get in the relationship. I do news stuff for me, and my head feel. My back hurts me. I love. I'll into I get to my pen. This is my wallet. And this. It's my wallet. It is in a folder. That's good. I will read it fine. Okay, so today is gonna be great. My duty was the ships, it's gonna order the folder, and then to the beach, and then just for have fun. So I did a little walk and Abaca under 3 days. So I'm gonna read it 2 weeks. They're gonna go. I can't sleep in the morning. I'm gonna make my art. So noon. But I'm gonna do the Russian ship. I'm in summer. I like summer. I like it. I like it. I love it. You don't like it. So, just do that. Okay. Today's Tales. Now come. The show. So is it is a problem? It is a relationship. It is a relationship. Then there's love in my brain. I like brain. I'm my head feel. You're the relationships in my life. I'm married last year, and then I'm with kissing the brides. I love him. I love I love you, baby. I love you. I'm gonna go to raise the relationship. You're gonna be great. So my first friend Bobby, and Mama 7, and like me. It's my boyfriend's birthday. I did a housekeeping, and Sarah's and me. So you are great in every possible. Your relationships is a critical forward for there. Your relationship is my birthday, Mama 7. Your relationships is my life. I get it there. I'm going to feel. I love my brain. I am here to show you. I think it's gonna happen. You know, relationships is like our chaos. Who knows? You know, clean your room, go to the house, and dog food, and washer, and your laundry, and then the workout. I can do for you already did the problem. I'll buck up the dogs, goodwill. And if it happens for you, I can watch it the problem. I sing the songs, the 6 songs for my birthday, my 7. I'm going to sing 6 songs. So, I did the way. So, your relationship is over now. Because it was not happy to do Josh Goodwill to cuss at me and to touch me. Because the problem is. But, I didn't know why. So, my brain. I love my brain. Ayana. But, you touch again, I am up my brain out. I will show you. I'm not playing you when you fifth. Or stiff, I'll buck up. I'll get the relationship for you. I want to do what I want to do why. Okay, thank you so much. It's always a Kaliha. I just feel for you. Relationships, I don't like them. You is what I accept it. You are really, really much good for you. Thank you too much. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.